Hello friends, let's understand one more example where we are going to calculate employee salary. It's basically a real-time scenario I'm taking here to explain to you your concept of some basic functions here. Again, the what order function you're going to see here is sum, max, countif. Now, this is an employee and this is the salary against each employee. Now, what is the total salary for employee? Again, we can use the sum function. Just simply type the sum function, just click the D7 and just simply drag it. Now what is the highest salary here? The highest salary here, we can use the formula called max. Just type the max function, select the range and close the bracket. Now here is the max is the 40,000. See, Rajan's salary is 40,000. Now employees earning more than 25,000. Again, we can use the function called countif, which we have learned in previous session. What is the range here? This is a range. Now I told you, comma, what is the criteria here? Greater than 25,000. We can pass the criteria here. So double quotes. We have to mention the criteria in double quotes. Just enter it. So here the two employees are greater than 25,000. Who are the employees here? Ramesh and Raj. You can ask one question, Amit also 25, but what is the criteria we given here? Greater than 25,000. If we put greater than equal to here, then it should be 3. Then Amit also included. Hope you understand the basic functions using Excel. Thank you.